Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics, and I got a special guest today. She decided to show up. Got outside.
Hey guys.
Got my queen here today. Today we're going to talk about, it's hot to start with. It feels amazing. It's slightly cloudy and sunny. Anyway, today I want to talk about the Tapener taping tool. It's pretty amazing. My beautiful queen is going to be my camera person for today, and I'm going to show you how easy it works. You kind of use it in place of some tomato clips when you're stringing tomatoes, or if you're putting cucumbers on a fence, or anything you're using. I like to start with a couple tomato clips on the bottom. I've been using it for almost a year now. It'll be a year at Father's Day, and I'm very happy with it. I wanted to use it for a while before I figured it out. There's some cheaper versions on Amazon. Pop got one, but it's not quite the same. Got quite a few more misfires with those. So anyway, we're gonna go and show you how we do it on the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So here's the tool. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is go down about 3/4 of the way. It grabs the tape and it pulls it back. You don't want to release it all the way back, because then you can't tape it tight. So you hold it like this, grab your tomato by the string, push it across, staple it, and it's done like that. Did it again.
Comme ça.
Comme ça. Paya. Super easy. Takes a little getting used to, but once you get it, you can roll with it. You can put it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. It stretches. It just uses the regular green tomato tape that you can get at Walmart or any of the big box stores. Just like that. Once you get in the hang of the click and the clack, you'll be done. Go to the cucumber. Got it.
Okay, now he's gonna do the cucumbers.
Cucumbers, bro. This is why I like the cattle panels, because we try to run each. We plant the cucumber seeds a foot apart, and we keep all the. We try to keep the suckers going on the side of them. Just like that. Keep them going up the same. Sometimes they can be a little more difficult because of the tendrils they got. But and we don't do it every day. I just wanted to show y'all. We usually wait 4 or 5 days, 6, 8, 10 inches.
And you just wanted to get me in the video?
You want to do it?
No. Well, we'll be picking some cucumbers before long.
We late. With the soil and the fertilizer and everything, we real late with the cucumbers.
Little boy's gonna be excited about the cucumbers, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, dude likes us some cucumbers.
Look, there's another good one.
These are the -2 cucumbers. If you look, every leaf has a flower associated with it, with a female flower, and they don't need to be pollinated, so it's pretty cool.
We saw some bees on it earlier.
Yep, so we got a few bees. The bees were kind of in hiding earlier, but we're starting to see some. So that's it. Tapener. Can you read it?
There we go.
All right. Tapener taping machine. You buy the thing, it's about $115 on Amazon. then you gotta buy the tape and the staples and stuff with it. To me, it's well worth it. Well worth it.
Guys, check out our new colors of our shirts. We got some navy this time.
Wow. Wow. Send them out.
All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and go get you a new taping tool. Quit.
Tape my hands together. Lord. No. Don't know what else is good for. We might figure that out later.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Y'all grow that later.
Bye.